since I've done a garden update. There's my lilac bush. This is late October. My poor hosta desperately needs weeded. Maximilian sunflowers have been cut back. I think this and this are going to get moved in the spring to this center strip. It's one of 3 butterfly bushes we have. This area also is in desperate need of weeding, but has been cut back some. This bush that was here when we moved in, I have a love-hate relationship with it. Some of my pruning I need to clean up, of course. And more mulch. Always need more mulch. I think we're going to switch it all to river rock in the spring. Some of my, I think it's coreopsis. My cone flowers. These are new this year. Planted them this summer. Rose bushes. That's 1, 2. More cone flower, more cone flower. Can you tell what I like? I like things that attract the butterflies. Coreopsis still has a little life left in it. They're so pretty. These are my double knockout roses. Planted those not this summer, but the one before. They're doing fantastic. These are all my dianthus that aren't too bad off, but a lot of weeding needs done. Some has been done. Might be moving these daylilies. So they kind of overpower this area too much. That might be where I put the balloon plants, actually. At least one of them. Because the other one might go here, opposite that one. And that daylily, I'm pretty sure, is going to move. Phlox right there. My other 2 new this year rose bushes. Has a gorgeous bloom on it. It's called True Perfume. They do smell gorgeous. And not to be left out, another area that needs weeded, but that trellis. This is my arborvitaes. Unfortunately, I don't think that lavender made it. I bought it on clearance, and some of them made it, some of them didn't. Clematis on the trellis, just like the other one. That poor arborvitae just struggles every year. Sometimes I think it's going to make it, and sometimes I don't. That one is a new lavender that is surviving, so yay. And that one is my older established lavender. These are called Gold Mound Spirea. I have 4 technically. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4 there, I don't think he made it. I think he's gonna have to get repurchased and planted. And I just got these. These are Lirope, I think is how you say it. Lirope. My daylilies, of course, heading into hibernation. All of this ornamental grass, Lirope, just got planted except for this. This is from last year's. And a little bit of flower left on. Out front here. These, when they're in bloom, are gorgeous. They're a stunning purple. They're Veronica Speedwell. This is sedum, Autumn Joy sedum that I just planted. Grew that from a root. And this is my Fireside 9-bark. Hydrangea that hopefully next year might flower for the first time. He's looking better than he's looked in a long time. It's fall, so he's going to look rough right now. Another lavender that I got on clearance. Doesn't seem to have made it, but, you know, we experiment. Butterfly bush number 3. Russian sage in hibernation starting. Kind of a mess here because of the construction. Added more of that ornamental grass right here and here amidst the hostas because it kind of can grow in the same environment. My hostas here, I just harvested some, I believe they were gladiolus bulbs, and put them in there. So we'll see those next spring, hopefully. We shall see. More hostas. Yeah, this garden keeps expanding every year. Some stuff survives, some stuff doesn't. I always tell people, plant a lot. Nobody's going to really know what dies except for you. Oh my goodness. Rhododendron, that's it. I almost said hydrangea. I know it's not. Asiatic lilies in hibernation. My Shasta daisies, I love-hate relationship with them because I love them. They're beautiful. But I know when they bloom, it's about to be winter. It's about to get sad around here. And then my Asiatic lilies are cut back, new ornamental grass, daylilies cut back, all of that. Gladiolus fallen over, done for the season. This is another variety of that same lyrope or ornamental grass mixed in with some Asiatic lilies and irises. More phlox. This one I might move either all of or half of. I don't think it's getting enough light there. And this is another Shasta daisy. This one blooms earlier in the year. And I might move it so it gets better light quality and put something that can handle lower light there. And lastly, kind of new to me. I mean, I've planted tulips over here in the past and they kind of do okay, but with the trees, they don't do great. I keep meaning to move them, but what does do okay over here is some random daylilies that when they overpower other areas, I've been transplanting them out here. And they're a little rough right now, but you know, that's the garden update.